episode of my blog. 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? My name is Jen, and for those of you who don't know me, I usually vlog about travel and food or anything under the sun. But today I'm going to talk about something different. It's how you can open an account in the stock market. So a lot of you will be asking why I'm vlogging about this. It's because most of my friends had been seeing me doing this once in a while, and they're very curious, and they kept on asking me on how they can also start their own stock market journey. So I just decided to create this very short video on how you can start your stock market journey. Huwag niyong isipin na ang stock market ay ganun kakomplikado. Isipin niyo na lang na para siyang isang sari-sari store. So kung ikaw ay may-ari ng isang sari-sari store, hahanap ka ng mabibilhan ng mga produkto sa murang halaga. At ang mga produkto na bibilhin mo ay yung mga kailangan ng tao, katulad ng sardinas, ng shampoo, ng kape, ng tinapay. Pero hahanap ka ng supplier or ng tindahan na mapipili mo to sa murang halaga para maibenta mo to sa mas mataas na halaga sa tindahan mo. Ganoon din ang ginagawa ng ibang negosyante. Bibili sila ng mga produkto habang ito ay mura pa. Halimbawa, ang sibuyas, ang bawang. May mga ibang negosyante na mag-iimbak sila or bibili sila ng sibuyas, ng bawang. So, bibili sila sa murang-murang halaga, tatago nila ito hanggat maibenta nila to sa mas mataas na halaga. Normally, mga December, kasi syempre Pasko or New Year. Then sa stock market, hahanap tayo ng mga stocks na mura para maibenta natin to after a month or after 2 months or even just after a week sa mas mataas na halaga. So, ang first step is maghahanap ka ng broker mo. So, for me, ang broker ko is COL Financial. So, madaming brokers dyan. Pero ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, or ang ilalagay ko dito sa video na to, ay yung nagamit ko na. So, malaman nyo from first-hand experience. So, since COL Financial ang gamit ko, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-open ng account sa COL. Ang una-una nyo gagawin is pumunta sa kanilang website. It's www.colfinancial.com. I'll put the link at the description box below. So once you're at the website, you can go to open an account. This is so different from the requirements they asked me previously. But it's so much easier now because you just need to submit them online. During my time, I still need to mail it to Ortigas. But anyway, so you just need one valid government-issued ID. You just need also a device with camera for selfie and video capture, a blank sheet of paper for your signature, Philippine bank account details, so yun yung sa BPI or BDO or PNB. And for those employed or self-employed, you can give them your SSS, GSIS, and CRN number, and your TIN number. And for minors who wants to start investing early, you can just send them your birth certificate. Okay, so pwede rin pala siya sa non-resident foreigners. Just need one valid passport copy. And for those foreigners staying here, just need one valid passport and your alien certificate of registration or work permit from DOLE. Okay, so after having these requirements, then you can just click this sign up. You can sign up online. Oh my god, COL's website is down at the moment. It's because today is holiday and I think they're upgrading their system. But anyway, you just need to click this sign up button here. Then after that, you click submit. Then they will review all the requirements. So if everything is okay, they will send you your account number. And then they will send you your account number and then you can start funding it. So itong account number na to, it's just like regular savings or checking account na pwede mong i-fund. And those funds that you enter or put in this account, you can use it to trade or buy stock. So how do you fund this? So it's the same as like funding your savings account from the bank. So you can do it online or you can deposit directly. So pwede kayong pumunta sa BPI if you have if your bank is from BPI. Okay, so these are the banks that you can use: BPI, BDO, Metrobank, Asia United Bank, Robinsons Bank, Union Bank. So meron din silang online transfer. I think it's easier now because during my time, um, I still go to the bank to deposit. Lately, I had been doing online transfer from overseas. So it's really much easier now. So for those of you who are residing overseas, here's what I do. I do an online transfer from my bank, and then I directly transfer it to the account number given to me by COL Financial. So, para lang kayo din nag-transfer sa inyong personal savings account. But the main difference is the funds that you are putting here in your COL Financial account, you can use it to buy stocks and trade in the stock market. You can also withdraw them anytime. You just need to log in. Once you're there, merong option dun for withdrawal. But as I said, this video is about opening an account. So maybe later you can comment down below if you want me to create another video on how to trade in the stock market. Just comment down below. Once you have deposited funds to your COL Financial account, it's activated right away. Then you can start trading already. So you can log in using your account number that was given to you by COL and the password. I think you will be creating your own password. So that's it. It's very simple. So first, you go find your broker. Second, if it's COL Financial, you can go to their website. You can click the link below. Then you can go ahead and submit the requirements online, fill up the sign up form, and then deposit funds to your account so that it can be activated. Then you can start trading already. Okay, so just a reminder, guys, that for any type of investments, it's best that you study about it first since you're using your hard-earned money. I will also recommend you to use investagrams.com. I will also comment the link at the description box below. Usually when I trade, I use this along with COL Financial because in this platform, you can easily see yung charts that you will need to analyze the stocks, if it's low, if it's high already. Then you can also download they have also an app that you can download on your phone so that anywhere you want, you can check the stocks. And then they also have the social live feeds. So makita nyo rin kung ano normally na yung mga binibili ng tao, if people are getting crazy about this stock. And they also have they show news here, news and disclosures about dun sa stock na binibili nyo. And they also have like yung support. Okay, they also have the support and the resistance. So I'm not going to talk about it anymore since I'm not a financial advisor. But if you want for me to create a very short video about the very basics of stock market trading, you can comment down below. Okay, so I have an example for you guys. This is only a very short example of what I've been telling you. To look for a stock that is still cheap, okay, that is essential, that has a huge possibility of increasing or appreciating in the future. So, for example, is Pure Foods. Okay, this FB, San Miguel Food and Beverage, um, was previously Pure Foods. So, I'm sure that every one of us knows Tender Juicy, that's under Pure Foods, and yung sikat na corned beef natin. Okay, so that's essential because it's food. So, for example, only by January of 2017 that you had started or decided to invest in the stock market and you allocated 5,000 pesos of your salary to do the startup. Okay, so by January 2017, the price of Pure Foods was 23 to 24 pesos. Okay, so by February, he decided to allocate again 5,000 pesos of your salary, and the price already went up around 26 pesos. Okay, just a tip, guys, that it's best to allocate a fixed amount of your salary every month in the stock market, and just make sure na yung amount na to is yung amount na hindi mo siya kakailanganin i-withdraw agad, na you can let it stay there, okay, hanggang mag-decide ka na mag-withdraw or until you have reached your goal price na mag-withdraw. Okay, so by March of 2017, the price again appreciated to 28 pesos, but you still decided to put in or to buy stocks for the amount of 5,000. April, ganun pa rin, kahit tumaas na siya 28. So if you can see, guys, this is a good example of a nice stock because as the months go by, pataas yung price niya, hindi pa baba. So ito, May 28 pesos. June 28 pesos. July 29. So tumaas na siya. By August, 30 pesos na. By September, 29 pesos. Okay. So for example that you had decided to invest for 1 year. So from January to December. But if you can see, on November of 2017, there was a huge spike. Let us check the reason. Okay, so the reason why it had spike is because as of the third quarter of 2017, naglabas ng earnings si Pure Foods at 25.83% gain yung net income niya. That's why there was a huge spike. So, ibig sabihin, maganda yung earnings niya. And aside from this, meron siyang dividends na nilabas, which is 1 peso and 50 centavos. Malaki yung dividend niya. Okay, so kahit nag-spike na ng mataas si Pure Foods dito sa November, nag-decide ka pa rin na magpasok ng 5,000 pesos. And by December, another 5,000 pesos. Okay, so I will show you this chart that I have created. So, as I mentioned, you had invested for the whole year of 2017. So that's from January to December. And each month you had decided to put or allocate 5,000 pesos. Okay, so your total investment is 60,000 pesos for the whole year. Okay, and ito yung price ng stock ng San Miguel every month. So, the average price is 32 pesos per share. How did I get the average price? So, I just totaled itong price niya per month divided by 12 because we have 12 months. Okay, so the price is 32 pesos per share average. Okay, so since you have 60,000 pesos invested for the last 12 months, you have 1,875 units of San Miguel. Okay, how did I get 1,875? So it's 60,000, which is the money that you had invested, divided 32, which is the price per unit. Okay, so let's say, for example, by December, okay, sorry. So let's say, for example, noong January, hindi ka na nag-invest kasi napagastos tayo ng December. Okay, February, hindi mo na tayo nag-invest kasi Chinese New Year. Or let's say, for example, kailangan mo ng pang-date dahil Valentine's Day. Okay, March, hindi pa rin. Okay, if you're going to see this, by April, and August, nag-spike yung stock. Okay, this is because there has been a merger that happened between San Miguel and Pure Foods. Yes. So, nagkaroon ng merger. So, nung nag-merge sila, pataas ng pataas yung stock. So, ibig sabihin, nag-combine yung company ng Pure Foods and San Miguel. So, naging FB na siya, San Miguel Food and Beverage, instead of previously it was under Pure Foods. So, tumaas yung stock. So, let's say, for example, na lang by April gusto mo mag-summer getaway. So, nag-decide ka na, sige, i-withdraw ka na yung stock ko. By April, how much is the value of Pure Foods? By April, the value of Pure Foods was 70 pesos per share. So, if 70 pesos per share yan, okay, and you have invested a total of 60,000, and your total units is 1875, magkano na yung pera mo by April? Your money is 131,250 lang naman. So, from 60,000, nag-double yung investment amount mo. Pero paano kung hindi mo pa rin siya withdraw? Kasi nakita mo by here, nakita mo tumataas pa siya. By end of August, the price is 103 pesos and 88 cents lang naman. So, kung di ka pa rin nag-withdraw, ang pera mo na sana is almost 200,000 pesos. So, this is an example of a good stock. By the time that you buy it, the price is low, and there is a good potential that in the future, the price will appreciate because you know that it is essential. Hindi siya titigilan ng mga tao na bilhin kasi pagkain ito. Ang maganda na sign sa isa sa mga stocks is habang tumatagal, kahit hindi man siya ganun kataas, nakikita mo na may progress dun sa stock. So, sabi ko sa inyo, by January, it's 22 pesos. Then, by February, tumaas siya by 28. So, ayan, nakikita nyo. Yung kanyang trend line is uptrend. Kung hindi man siya continuous uptrend, nag-sideways man siya. Pero, hindi siya downtrend. Okay? So, it's really a good stock. So, isipin nyo na lang, paano kung nag-invest kayo ng more than 1 year ago? Paano kung nung nag-start ka mag-invest nung 2015 pa lang, which the price of the stock is only 12 pesos. Imagine kung magkano na yung gains niya ngayon. Okay, that is why businessmen or investors choose or recommend the cost averaging. This is an example of cost averaging investment. You only put a certain amount of money every month. So you continue to buy whether the price is low or whether the price is high. Consistent ka lang nabibili every month. I'm actually recommending this investment strategy for those beginners na hindi pa sanay mag-trade. Saka yung kaya i-hold yung pera nila ng long term. And as mentioned kanina, dapat ma-determine mo kung ikaw ba ay short-term trader or long-term trader or kung ito bang investment na ginagawa mo is for your retirement. So, shinare ko lang to kasi meron akong kakilala. Unfortunately, it's not me. Meron akong kakilala who invested in Pure Foods ever since he graduated from college. And now, okay, grabe, sobrang yaman na niya. Grabe, nung college, he really had a humble beginning na I think we came from the same state university, and he said na yung mga sinturon niya dati and yung polo niya dati nung first siyang magtrabaho ay iisa lang. But he started investing agad since he graduated college. Just imagine, etong Pure Foods, isang taong ka lang nag-invest but you have that gains already. You only set aside 5,000 pesos but you have that gains already. What more na siya na when he started or when he graduated college, he started investing every month. Just do the math. So there, you're ready to trade? Trade strong, trade smart. Okay. Joke. You can also follow Marvin Germo. I've been following him from time to time, or analyze stocks from time to time. But of course, as I said, once you decide to trade in the stock market, you should study them by yourself. It's like opening a business. You don't just open a business without studying what is your target market, what is the market price of these goods that you're buying. The same with the stock market, you should know the stocks that you are buying, if it's low, if it's high already, when are you going to buy it, or when are you going to sell it? Are you a short-term investor? Are you a long-term investor? So these are the things that you should be asking about and put in your trading plan. So if you have any other suggestions or questions that if you want me to create another video about stock market trading, you can just comment down below. Thank you and God bless. So for more of these vlogs, you can click the like, subscribe, and the notification button down below so that you will be notified once I release the new video.